Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showcasing some awesome outdoor working tools that make tough jobs easier, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're tackling landscaping, construction, farming, or DIY projects, these tools will help you work smarter, not harder. We'll be featuring heavy-duty power tools, multifunctional gear, durable hand tools, and innovative outdoor equipment that can handle any task. Ready to upgrade your outdoor workspace? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5 COS-CL for OR. Illuminate your workspace with the powerful and versatile COS-CL for OR clamp light. This robust work light is designed to provide dynamic lighting solutions with its impressive 3,900 lumens and wide range of features. Whether you're working on a construction site, in a workshop, or performing outdoor tasks, the CL for OR ensures you have the light you need, exactly where you need it. The COS-CL for OR delivers an impressive 3,900 lumens through its wide-angle flood beam. This feature ensures broad, consistent illumination, allowing you to see the entire work area clearly. Whether you're inspecting large surfaces or need to flood a room with light, the CL for OR provides the coverage you need. High-strength aluminum clamp. The CL for OR features a high-strength aluminum clamp that securely attaches to a wide variety of supports, from framing studs to truck doors. Number 4 DEPSTECH DS300SE Industrial Borescope. The DEPSTECH DS300SE Industrial Borescope is a powerful inspection tool designed to deliver high-quality imaging and efficient wire-pulling capabilities. With advanced Bluert 3.0 technology, a waterproof design, and a 50FT fish tape wire puller, this tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The DS300SE Industrial Borescope is equipped with DEPSTECH's Bluert 3.0 technology, which significantly enhances image quality and low-light performance. This technology ensures clear, detailed visuals, eliminating the common issues of dim or fuzzy images often encountered with lesser endoscopes. 180 rotation and mirror flip flexibility is crucial in tight inspection scenarios. The DS300SE offers a 180 rotation button and a mirror flip button, allowing users to view objects from various angles. This feature is particularly useful for inspecting hard-to-reach areas and ensuring comprehensive observation from multiple perspectives. Built-in 4.3-inch IPS screen. The Borescope features a built-in 4.3-inch IPS screen that allows for immediate operation without the need for additional devices. The large, intuitively designed buttons make it user-friendly, ensuring that even beginners can use it with ease. The fixed focal range of 1.18 to 3.15 inches with an optimal distance of 1.97 inches ensures precise and detailed inspections. Number 3 ValRemote. The ValRemote, including the ValFast Complete set, represents a significant advancement in forestry equipment. By integrating infrared remote control into proven impact wrenches, this system enhances safety, productivity, and cost-effectiveness in tree felling and other tasks. This review will explore the key features, practical benefits, and overall value of the ValRemote and ValFast set. The standout feature of the ValRemote system is its infrared remote control, which is active only when a felling wedge is attached. This integration allows for versatile use of the impact wrench in various applications beyond tree felling, such as planting trees using the drill fast or performing tasks in a workshop. Versatility and efficiency. One of the primary advantages of the ValRemote system over competitive radio wedges is its ability to use the expensive drive unit on multiple felling wedges. This versatility allows the machine to be quickly and easily transferred to the next felling wedge, significantly improving efficiency in practical applications. Safety enhancements. The ValRemote system's design ensures that the user never has to work under the treetop while the trunk is moving. If the lifting height of a felling wedge is insufficient, the impact wrench can be detached and reattached to another felling wedge without compromising safety. This feature reduces the risk associated with traditional methods where the user has to support the tree manually. Compatibility with leading impact wrenches. The ValRemote system is compatible with several leading impact wrenches, including, by allowing quick transitions between felling wedges, the ValRemote system minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity. The ability to use the impact wrench for various tasks further extends its utility, making it a valuable tool for forestry professionals. Cost-effectiveness. The flexibility to use the same drive unit across multiple felling wedges reduces the need Number 2, Zero Smog Shield Pro. The Zero Smog Shield Pro is an advanced fume extraction system designed to revolutionize air quality in electronics manufacturing. Ensuring a clean and safe working environment is essential for productivity and employee health, and the Zero Smog Shield Pro delivers on both fronts. This review delves into its key features, technical specifications, and why it stands out in the market. The Zero Smog Shield Pro excels in filtering particles and gases, effectively removing odors from the workspace. This ensures that harmful fumes from soldering and other processes are efficiently captured, promoting a healthier work environment. Powerful blower with adjustable extraction power. Equipped with a powerful blower, the Zero Smog Shield Pro allows users to adjust the extraction power to suit their specific needs. This flexibility ensures optimal performance, whether you're working on delicate electronics or more demanding tasks. Compatibility and stackability. The Zero Smog Shield Pro is designed to be stackable with soldering stations of all brands, accommodating a maximum footprint of 13 cm by 18 cm. This compatibility makes it a versatile addition to any electronics manufacturing setup, providing seamless integration with existing equipment. The compact dimensions of 270 by 212 by 110 mm 10.6 x 8.3 x 4.3 inches make the Zero Smog Shield Pro easy to fit into any workspace. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful extraction, making it both portable and highly effective. Capacity and efficiency. With a capacity of 32 cubic meters per hour, the Zero Smog Shield Pro ensures efficient air filtration and maintains a clean environment, crucial for precision electronics work. Its ESD-safe design further protects sensitive electronic components from static damage. Number 1, Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0. The Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0, a 2-in-1 brushless cordless drill driver, is revolutionizing the world of power tools. With its innovative design, high performance, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This detailed review explores its key features, performance, and why it should be your next tool investment. The standout feature of the Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 is its dual-P rotatable chucks, allowing users to switch between drill and driver bits effortlessly. This capability enhances efficiency, particularly in tasks requiring frequent bit changes. Powerful performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, this drill driver delivers 65% more power compared to previous models. It boasts 445 Nm of torque and can reach speeds up to 1700 RPM, enabling you to drive screws and drill through wood faster and more effectively. Expandable power with power share batteries. The Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 operates on the versatile power share battery system, which is compatible with over 140 tools in the 20 volts, 40 volts, and 80 volts ranges.